Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Hope all of you have revised lesson 3 for today, isn't it? What is the name of that lesson? Yes, the human body. In that lesson we have discussed about different organ systems. Let's memorize the things which we have discussed in that lesson. Are you ready? Let's start.
What is an organ system? A group of organs working together to do an important job is called an organ system. First one, the skeletal system. Hard parts are present inside our body. These hard parts are known as bones. These bones join together to form a framework known as the skeleton or skeletal system. Then tell me children, how many bones are there in an adult human body? Yes, 206. Then what are the functions of skeleton? Yes, the skeleton gives shape to our body and it also protects the soft internal organs. The skeletal system and muscular system together help us to move. The muscles of your body forms the muscular system. Next is the circulatory system. Circulatory system includes the heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart pumps a red liquid. What is that red liquid known as? Yes, blood. So heart pumps blood to all the parts of our body. The blood travels in our body through special tube. What is that special tube known as? Yes, blood vessels. So the blood vessels carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of our body. It also collects waste from all parts of your body. The next is the respiratory system. Breathing is possible because of this organ system. So respiratory system includes nose, windpipe and lungs. We have 2 lungs. Okay. Then the digestive system. The food that we eat has to be broken down into very small and simple substances. Then only we can absorb the food and get energy. Okay. So many organs are included in this digestive system. Which all organs are included? Yes, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are the organs taking part in this system. Then next is the excretory system. Excretion means the disposal of waste from our body. It is either in the form of sweat or urine. We excrete sweat through our skin, then urine through urinary system. Carbon dioxide also a waste gas which we excrete from our body. So the skin, lungs and kidneys make up our excretory system. Then along with these all systems, we have reproductive system. As we discussed in our previous chapter, all living beings reproduce. We produce our own kind. So it is possible through this system, organ system. That is the reproductive system. Then the last one, the nervous system. Nervous system includes brain and nerves. Brain controls all the organ systems. Okay. The brain tells each organs what to do by sending messages through your nerves.
So children, today we have revised lesson number 3. For next class, you have to study this lesson. I will conduct a revision test. Okay, so study well. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.